Hello, my name is Michael Gutierrez, and today we're going to talk about 6 gestures that I've used in the past that gave me the confidence to speak in front of audience. Number 1, the box. The box means trustworthiness, trustfulness, and it's imagine having a box in front of your chest about right here. This is where you talk from. This is where you engage your audience from, this point right here. An example would be Bill Clinton. He used to use this when he was president of the United States. He spoke within the box gesture. Number 2, holding a ball. Holding a ball in front of your chest. This gesture commands dominance and it commands of a leader. For example, Steve Jobs would use this ball effect when addressing his employees, when speaking to large crowds. Steve Jobs. Number 3, the pyramid. This is something that I use every day. This helps me, it self-assures me, and it's relaxing to have my hands in front of my chest together. It shows a gesture of being relaxed and ready to speak. A good example of this is Angela Merkel. When she speaks in Parliament in Germany, she has her hands in front like a pyramid gesture. This helps her stay in control. Number 4, wide stance. Making sure that your legs are wide enough and you're standing straight and looking confident. It shows confidence and it shows control of when you're speaking to your audience, engaging with them. You want to show that strength. So the wide stance is a very good gesture you can use for that. Number 5, palms up. This one here shows honesty and accepting of the audience. This gesture indicates openness, and an example would be Oprah Winfrey. When she makes a strong speech, she has her palms up. This shows that she's connecting to her audience. Shows sincerity. It shows trustworthiness. She's not hiding anything. Look at my hands. I'm not hiding anything. She's being very sincere. She's very credible when she does this. Number 6, palms down. Palms down. Strong and assertive. That's palms down. This one is a little different than palms up. This one, you're an authority figure. You show strength when your hands are down. This is an example of Donald Trump. When he speaks in front of large crowds, he would have his hands down, controlling the audience when he speaks. This is a great one to use. I've used it, and it works great for me. And remember, be natural. When you present, don't read from a script. Be genuine. Be humble. Let it flow when using gestures. Let it come out naturally. You want to make sure that the audience is understanding what you're saying, and gestures help me be genuine. I'm hoping that this helped you, and remember, you have purpose.